This is Excel E Task 3, creating a pivot table using the data given. And here's the data. So what we'll do is we'll go to the Data tab here, and we'll go Pivot Table, Create Manual Pivot Table. We'll go ahead and pop that into a new worksheet, and we'll use the entire thing. Now over here, it says to show the average home runs. So we'll go field name. We want to show that everything's based on team. So we're going to use team here. And then we're going to show HR. And we're going to drag that there. Sorry, that's already there. We're going to do, instead of sum, click on the little information and do average. Click OK. Next, the average for each team. So we'll go average. Again, we'll change this to average. RBI and SB. RBI and SB. And both of these, again, we're changing to the average for each team. OBP and SLG. OBP and SLG. And both of those will also need to be changed to average. Average, okay. And there we go, we got our row labels, we got our averages, and there's our pivot table. Now it says to find the winning percentage of each team from the 2012 season. So I've already found this data, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into column H here. Yep, and we'll just go ahead and make that nice and big, and we actually need to shift these down. So we'll insert, shift down, there we go. One more shift down. And that's it, because our first winning percentage was for the Angels, and our last one is for the Yankees. Now it says to find the correlation coefficient between the averages of each of these statistics and the team's winning percentage. So to do that, we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste these headings here over here. We're going to go ahead and find the correlations. So to find the correlations, what we're going to do, just make these big enough to see, is we're going to find equals correlation of, we want to find for HR, so it's going to be the correlation between, we can't use that first row because there is no winning percentage available, so we're going to use the correlation between this and the winning percentages. Now, in order to be able to drag these across to find the correlation for all the different columns, we need the winning percentage column not to move. So we're going to put some dollar signs in here. Now that we've done this, found the correlation, and we can just go ahead and drag it across and find the correlation for each of the different averages. And that's it for this task.